Welcome. In this video, we will explore how to use Base 10 blocks to teach math concepts to students with disabilities. These hands-on tools make abstract ideas more concrete, helping students build confidence and understanding.
Base 10 blocks come in four types: units, which represent ones; rods, which represent tens; flats, which represent hundreds; and cubes, which represent thousands. These blocks help students visualize place value and operations like addition and subtraction. Sometimes we may not have access to traditional Base 10 blocks in the classroom or at home, but that doesn't mean we can't still explore place value in a hands-on way. Let's look at some creative and accessible alternatives that work just as well and might even be more fun. For ones or units, use buttons, beads, coins, Lego blocks, or even small erasers. For students with fine motor challenges, try larger items like bottle caps, pom-poms, or craft sticks for easier grasping. For tens or rods, bundle tin straws, craft sticks, or pipe cleaners with a rubber band. You can also use Lego bricks stacked in groups of 10. For a tactile option, try Velcro strips with 10 soft dots. For hundreds or flats, use index cards or cut pieces of cardboard marked with a 10 by 10 grid. A sheet of graph paper with 100 squares works great too. For a sensory-friendly version, try felt squares or foam sheets. These alternatives are not only easy to find, but they also allow us to adapt the lesson to meet the needs of all learners. Whether a student benefits from tactile input, visual cues, or simplified handling, these tools make math more inclusive and engaging. Let students help choose or create their own materials. This builds ownership and makes the activity more meaningful. Now that we've got our materials ready, let's dive into building numbers with our Base 10 tools, no matter what they are made of. Let's build the number 342. We place 3 flats in the hundreds column, 4 rods in the tens column, and 2 units in the ones column. This visual layout helps students understand that each digit has a different value depending on its place. A tip to help support visual learners: use color-coded mats or labels. Now let's add 28 plus 17. Start with 2 rods and 8 units. Add 1 rod and 7 units. That gives us 15 units, which is too many in the ones place. So we regroup by trading 10 units for 1 rod. Now we have 4 rods and 5 units, which equals 45. Now let's subtract 19 from 52. So we start with 5 rods and 2 units. We need to take away 9 units, but we only have 2. So we regroup by trading 1 rod for 10 units. Now we have 12 units and 4 rods. Take away 9 units and 1 rod. We are left with 3 rods and 3 units, or 33. Another tip is to use real-time modeling and allow students to physically move the blocks.
To help students with disabilities understand and build confidence when using Base 10 blocks, use visual schedules to outline steps, provide guided prompts and verbal cues, allow extra time and repetition, use larger blocks or digital versions for motor skill needs, have students work in pairs or small groups, use games like Build the Number or Block Race to make learning fun and interactive. Using Base 10 blocks, who can build 134 the fastest? Base 10 blocks are more than just math tools. They are bridges to understanding. With patience, creativity, and the right strategies, you can help every student succeed in math.